Hey everyone, meet the smartest cats ever. Nothing can break this cat's nap when his blanket pulling style is flawless. He knows that in order for this door to open, he has to get rid of the spoons. It looks like while making this cat, Destiny packed him with endless copy tricks. No fight can ever break out inside this home, when the guardian here knows every rule by heart. This clever cat tries to turn into a locksmith by spinning the key in the door.
Bye.
Losing his way could never happen, with his dad's voice engraved in his memory. Real growth shows when you handle things alone, even sipping water.
NANI?!
If you enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. The cat claps its tiny paws while we chant a funny rhyme, pure joy. Testing this cat's skills makes no sense when his mind already works like a genius. If you enjoyed this video, follow us and let us know what you'd like to see next. The cat places its paw exactly where the bar is and climbs up.
At 29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure.
He gets a good lesson from his mistake in the first calculation.
Again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. day. Without you, I never could have moved away. But now I seek what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours.
Have a great day.